More homes on the market, yet sales were down. Welcome to the Summer of Change. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The number of homes on the market during July was down compared with May and June. However, buyers had a lot more choices compared with this time last year. Prices were down for the second month in a row. However, they were up slightly compared with last July. Sales were down compared with June and were down compared with last July. Let's get local, starting with the 880 corridor. A lot more choices for buyers along 880, especially in Fremont and Newark. Prices were down with a few exceptions, a big drop in Albany and Oakland down as well. Castro Valley and Newark both up slightly. Sales mixed. Castro Valley up more than 50%, while right next door in San Leandro, sales down more than 30%. West Contra Costa County is next. More homes for sale almost everywhere. Pinole and San Pablo both way up. Prices were down almost everywhere. El Cerrito stands out at 1.3, up more than 30%. Sales were mixed. El Cerrito doubles, El Sobrante way down. Let's look at Central Contra Costa County. More homes on the market almost everywhere. Martinez up 50%. Prices down everywhere. Walnut Creek at 1.5, down 10% compared with last July. Sales mixed. Clayton, Martinez, Pleasant Hill all up. Walnut Creek 41 sold, down almost 20%. Next up is La Miranda. Homes for sale essentially flat. Lafayette and Moraga both up one home each. Prices mixed. Lafayette at 2.2, up more than 30%. Orinda 1.8, down almost 25%. Sales mixed. Lafayette 20 sold, down more than 30%. Moraga 14 sold, double compared to last July. Let's look at the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale up almost everywhere. Dublin 53 on the market, up almost 90%. Prices were mixed. Alamo at 3.1, up almost 20%. Livermore at 1.1, down almost 10%. Sales were down almost everywhere. Danville 37 sold and San Ramon 36, both down 25% or more. Let's wrap up in the Delta. More choices almost everywhere. Antioch had 193, up more than 60%. Prices were down almost everywhere. Antioch was $575, Oakley at $730, 500 was up. Sales were mixed. Oakley down more than 25%, up in Brentwood and Pittsburgh. Last thought. Real estate markets are always changing. Sometimes change is seasonal, sometimes it's an economic factor such as mortgage interest rates. The changes in East Bay market conditions so far this year is from buyers and sellers changing their expectations. Let's keep an eye on what new expectations mean for sales prices and sales activity. We'll see you next month.